You should probably hit the deck if you're in a business and Elon Musk comes in. Like if you're in the automobile industry and boom, Tesla's a thing now. Just leave, right? Should phone manufacturers be on the lookout because of the Tesla Pi phone? Hey guys! What's up? Today we're going to talk about Elon Musk's Tesla Pi phone. Elon Musk oscillates between clever and insane, making him entertaining to watch even if you aren't an investor. Investors have far too many reasons to regret their investments in Musk's ventures, given that he makes associated assets and various cryptocurrencies significantly more volatile than they would be otherwise. Also, he makes flamethrowers. The production of a Tesla phone with a unique feature set is one recent speculation that Musk has emphasized. Given Tesla's direction, the phone makes a whole lot of sense, especially as a counter to Apple's anticipated electric car. Tesla and Apple are similar in a lot of ways, probably more than they'd like to admit. They have a lot of the same business, and they benefit from a lot of the same advantages. Elon Musk has done a better job of mirroring Jobs' unique management and product creation approach than Tim Cook. Apple was founded by a charismatic leader named Steve Jobs, if you were living under a rock. And Elon Musk has done a better job of mirroring Steve Jobs' technique and approach to management and product creation than Tim Cook has. I'll say it again. Both companies have strong client loyalty, precise market valuations, multiple competitors vying for their business, but Tesla isn't known for its marketing efforts and has a track record of poor quality control. Even though Apple has significantly lowered its marketing, it still dominates its market in this area. And Apple tends to set the bar in terms of product quality. There's a strong link between iPhone users and Tesla purchasers, funnily enough. So if Apple releases a car that's tightly connected to the Apple ecosystem, it'll probably eat into Tesla's market share. Because of the intense customer devotion, exposure, and extensive marketing budget, Apple poses the greatest danger to Tesla out of all the up-and-coming contenders. Not only that, but Apple's financial reserves make it a potential threat to Tesla. Finally, cell phones are becoming essential features in the new Tesla vehicles, and they're already partially integrated with the company's in-car audio-visual technology. Apple would have an advantage in such integration and may disrupt Tesla's interoperability while driving Apple users away from Tesla vehicles. This last point is most likely to persuade Musk to redesign his phone. The speculated phone is said to include Qualcomm's high-end Snapdragon 8 series solution, and of course colors that match Tesla's car colors. They serve as a car key for Tesla users with a Tesla phone, and they connect to Starlink. This is the iffy bit. The latter point is debatable because connecting a smartphone to a satellite usually necessitates colossal antenna and a significantly more powerful radio. If they can make it work, it'll be giving Tesla owners a vast, unique advantage, and they'll be able to access relatively high bandwidth connections years before 5G is ready. We believe that putting satellite connectivity in the car would hide the enormous antenna. Then, having the phone connect through the vehicle when a 5G network is unavailable, or when you want to watch a movie, that would be a preferable road to go down. In other words, to get around data caps. The car is then given an always-on satellite link for remote operation and more reliably detecting attempted thefts or parking lot damage. And last but not least, with smartphones increasingly becoming car keys, your Tesla phone might be even linked to your Tesla vehicle. It may, for example, include separate buttons to lock, unlock, find, and scream for help using the car's external speakers to attract attention. If you have the autonomous mode turned on and you want the car to pick you up, the phone can help the vehicle find you, which is very, very useful for those of us who forget where we parked. However, if Elon Musk is as innovative as Tim Cook was with the Apple Watch, he'll make those capabilities adjustable so that they can be used with different cars. And the phone may be a way to entice people to buy Tesla cars. A Tesla smartwatch that worked with your car? No, there's $1 million idea. But we haven't heard anything about that yet, so. When it comes to developing a phone that works right out of the box, remember that Qualcomm assisted Apple with the first iPhone. And they've gotten a lot better since then. Tesla would start with market-leading phone technology and then add automotive capabilities with Qualcomm support, which they're more than capable of doing. Tesla may be able to integrate the car and the phone better than Apple. Even though neither Tesla nor Apple has been shown to be terrific partners, Qualcomm can work with anybody and be successful in helping Apple get started when the company was a lot smaller than it is now. With Qualcomm's assistance, Tesla may be able to close the gap on Apple's phone technology edge. Given their work with automotive AV and autonomous driving, Qualcomm's got a lot more car experience than Apple does. Even though Tesla is behind in the phone department, Qualcomm is also going to assist in closing that gap. Tesla knows way more about cars than Apple. which is a funny little harmony that's going on right now. Anyways, Tesla should be able to produce a better driver experience than Apple early on if it can get its quality up where it needs to be, which is a huge if given the past. Furthermore, because of the regulatory barriers associated with producing a car significantly more challenging to overcome than those related to building a phone, Tesla may have a far shorter time in the market with Qualcomm than Apple does with its new car. Ironically, Steve Jobs was a vehicle enthusiast way more than Tim Cook, implying that the first Apple car would undoubtedly be Apple's Zune. If the Apple automobile is a disaster, it'll certainly make Elon Musk's day now, wouldn't it? As well as Steve Ballmer's, of course, given he is the father of Zune. He would probably welcome Apple having a similar experience. The rumored Pi phone from Tesla would be equipped with Starlink technology, which will work flawlessly on Mars. Which, super useful. Elon Musk's Starlink technology is one of his most important projects, as it is expected to be fully compatible with the next generation smartphone. Tesla is very intimately linked with Elon Musk's SpaceX company, aiming to take humans to Mars. On the other hand, Starlink seeks to create a network of low-orbit satellites to make internet access more accessible from basically anywhere. The company's goal is to launch over 40,000 satellites into Earth's lower orbit. According to Gulf News, there are 1,600 Starlink satellites in orbit, based on data from space industry trackers. It went on to say that as reusable rockets get more and more affordable, the number will be continuing to rise. The rumors are bolstered by Tesla CEO Elon Musk's declaration that he would want to die on Mars. "I'd like to die on Mars, just not because we crashed or anything," which he noted back in 2013. The Pi phone is reported to contain 4-hole cameras, solar charging, and a skin with a futuristic style that can change colors, in addition to the rumored capacity to be able to be used on Mars. Tesla, which is famed for its futuristic ambitions and AI breakthroughs, was rumored to be working on a satellite smartphone that might work where standard Wi-Fi or 5G couldn't. If the rumors are genuine, it might just eliminate the requirement for terrestrial communication altogether. And also, giant side note, Model Pi could come with a Neuralink-designed brain-phone interface. Musk's business is working on ultra-high bandwidth brain-machine interfaces that allow people and machines to communicate, although it'll probably use Bluetooth and be compatible with most devices. Anyways, the Model Pi resembles an iPhone in appearance, which is not at all surprising given the iPhone's efficient design, working with what already makes sense. There are 4 cameras in the back, all of which are contained within a square frame. There are, however, some distinctions that have been included. The Tesla Pi phone, for example, will have a cover that changes color using a photochromatic coating that shimmers with various pigments when exposed to sunshine. There's a front-facing camera, but you won't be able to see it because it's going to be hidden beneath the screen. It will, however, be ideal for selfies and video calls. The phone's back bears the Tesla emblem, and there's even a solar panel built into the back. Now, this Tesla Pi phone release date is still unknown, but Musk is expected to release it soon. Well, as soon as it's ready, at least. Are you excited about the Tesla Pi phone? I mean, it comes with solar chargers on the back. I mean, that's pretty cool, not gonna lie. But do you think it'll surpass the iPhone? Let us know about that in the comments. Toodles!